question we are told that n is a natural number such that 5 to the power n minus 1 is less than 3 to the power n plus 1. That is 5 to the power n divided by 5 is less than 3 to the power n into 3. Or essentially 5 by 3 to the power n is less than 15. What are the values that n can take? Clearly 5 by 3 to the power n increases as n increases. When n is 1, it will be 1.67. When n is 2, it will be approximately 1.67 whole square, so approximately 2.7. When n is 4, it will be approximately 2.7 whole square, which I think will be around say 7.3 or 7.4, something like that. When n is 5, it will be 7.3 into approximately 1.7, so it will be around 12, maybe slightly more than 12. You can approximate it also. What I am essentially doing is 7.3 into 1.67 is something like 7 into 1.7, that is around 12. But this will be slightly greater than 12 because there is 7.3. Now when n is equal to 6, 12 into 1.7 will for the first time cross 15, because 12 into 1.7 will be definitely greater than 10 into 1.7, which itself is 17. So the maximum value that n can take is 5. So n is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. We are required to calculate the value of m such that for all values of n, 3 to the power n plus 1 is less than 2 to the power n plus m. So let us try to keep m in one side. So what does this look like? We want 3 to the power n into 3 divided by 2 to the power n to be less than 2 to the power m. For all values of n, this should hold true. That is 3 by 2 to the power n into 3 should be less than 2 to the power n, 2 to the power m, when n is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So for all values of n, when we select this m, 2 to the power m should be greater than 3 by 2 to the power n into 3. Now, so essentially we have to look for the largest value of 3 by 2 to the power n into 3, and we have to select an m such that 2 to the power m is greater than this largest number. So for example, if you are choosing n to be equal to 5 over here, 3 by 2 to the power 5 into 3 will be 3 to the power 6, which is 729, divided by 2 to the power 5, which is 32. You can calculate this will be approximately 22. This is the largest value that 3 by 2 to the power n into 3 can take when n is varying from 1 to 5. And 2 to the power m should be greater than this. So the smallest value that m can take is equal to 5, because 2 to the power 5 is 32, which is the smallest power of 2, which is greater than 22. So anyway, the smallest value that m can take is 5, such that this condition is always held true whenever n is varying from 1 to 5. So the answer for this question is 5.